Greetings to you all. I hope all are fine and safe. Children, look at the picture. What do you see in this? Four roads meet. Yes. How do we call this place? Junction. Very good. So, two or more roads or ways meeting place is called junction. Like this in English, two or more sentence or classes are joined with a word. It's called conjunction. Okay? Today you are going to learn about conjunctions. Conjunction is a word that connects or joins classes, words or phrases together in a sentence. They are also known as connectors. Three types are there: coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions, and correlative conjunctions. These are the three types. Let's see one by one. Okay. Coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions are to join two words, phrases or classes which are parallel in sentence. Some common coordinating conjunctions are and, but, or, therefore, as well as, to, else, otherwise, still, yet, however, so, consequently, for, etc. For example, she ran fast and won the race. Do you want ice cream or chocolate? Next, we move on to subordinating conjunctions. Subordinating conjunctions are the words that link a dependent class to an independent class. It joins elements of an unparalleled sentence structure. Some common subordinating conjunctions are after, as, until, unless, when, whenever, as soon as if, as though, because, before, even if, even though, if, since, so that, though, till, where, wherever, whether, while, why, etc. For example, the bus had left before he came. When he was washing my car, I went to the store. Next one, correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions are a type of conjunctions that functions in a pair. Some common correlative conjunctions are either or, both and, neither nor, not only but also, such as, such that, so as so, no sooner than, rather than, whether or. For example, I am not only a singer but also a musician. Neither Alex nor Robin can play baseball. That's all about conjunctions. Now we move on to your book back exercise. Open book, page number 105. Underline the conjunctions in the following sentence. Revati and Rogini are friends. Children, find out the conjunctions in the sentence. What is the word? And. Very good. Like this, you do the other exercise. Okay? Let's see the next exercise. Fill in the blanks with suitable conjunctions from the box. Children, the conjunctions are in the box. You pick out the correct conjunctions and fill the blanks. Okay. This is your homework. Do it and send to me. Okay, children. Thank you. We'll meet on another video.